Hello friends, Leanna here. I got my Allure beauty box. Let's open her up and see what's inside. Seriously, let's open her up. I can't get it open. From the beauty experts. Here's our little pamphlet. Has all the products on the inside and how much they cost. We got some pricey stuff this time, y'all. So the first thing in the box is this beauty resurfacing compound. This is a 1 ounce bottle of product and it is $148. It's designed to specifically target damaged skin without adversely affecting healthy skin. Pretty packaging. Comes in a pump. You know I want to know what it smells like. It smells familiar. It absorbs nicely into the skin. It has a very, very light smell that seems familiar. My skin feels really soft now. That's interesting. Looking forward to digging into that and figuring out what that's all about. Congratulations, you're one pump away from brighter, tighter, more revitalized looking skin. Alright, Allure. I need all of that. And the next item in our little Allure box. I am a little excited about this, just a little bit. This is my excited face. Is this Kristoff Robin Daily Hair Cream with Sandlewood, moisturizing care, anti-split ends, anti-breakage. This is a leave-in conditioner. This is a full-size product. The other one was a full-size product too, I believe. Here we go with me being all over the place again. Yep, full-size product. That one, $148 for an ounce. Full-size product, leave-in conditioner. I have heard that this brand is really good, so I'm quite excited about this. This retails for $43. You can buy it at Sephora.com. It's got a safety seal on it. You know I gotta smell it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. I am excited about this because I've heard, like I said, lots of good things. And so now I get to try that out without spending the $43, and then, you know, I'll probably fall in love with it, and then I'll be spending $43 because that's why they do this to begin with. I'm like really close to the camera. Alright, next we have Floss Lip Advocate in Your Honor. I believe this is a tinted moisturizer. This is a full-size product for $18. Cute packaging. I think I have something of this brand, and I think all of their packaging is kind of the same. This soft pink and white. Yep, it's a tinted moisturizer. It's a very pretty color. Has a nice little smell to it. Hopefully that tint will last a while because, you know, me and the whole lipstick thing, reapplying lipstick 1,400 times a day. And the next thing in the box, 100% pure cotton sheet mask. Fresh, youthful looking skin. Madeca Derma, if I'm pronouncing that right. Firm, brighten, moisture, purify, restore youthful suppleness and radiance. Treatment mask that supplies rich nutrition for fresh, youthful looking skin. 100% pure cotton. That's cool. This, I do not believe this is a full-size product. I believe that there is one mask. So you can get a 10 pack of these for $19.99, which is not bad. And you can actually buy these on Amazon, it says. So I'm excited to try this. I like the cotton sheet mask. And then we have a little sample of the Roche Posay Melt in Milk Sunscreen. 100 body and face. Is that 100 SPF? Yes, it is. 100 SPF. And you can get a full size of this for $24.99, which is not too bad. Melt in Milk Sunscreen. I am not a fan of sunscreens. I know I need to be a fan of sunscreens. I bought one. But it like leaves a white cast over my skin, and I just don't like the way it feels. But I'm gonna wear it. Maybe this one is different. Let's see. It's not as thick. Yeah, definitely not as heavy as that one. Doesn't have any smell to it, and it did not leave a white cast on my skin, so. But I've already bought the $25 one that I have to get through. I'll be putting sunscreen on my knees and everywhere else. You don't want your knees to get, you know, wrinkled from sun and all that stuff. And then we have this AmorePacific Treatment Cleansing Foam. This obviously is a sample. You can buy the full-size product for $50. Refreshing water-activated cleanser to gently and effectively remove both makeup and impurities in one step. Just a little bitty baby tube. Got to do the smell test. That is super, super thick. And it smells really good. And I'm not crazy about putting things on my face that have a fragrance to them, but you know. I mean, it's a light fragrance. It's not heavy at all, so. There's the empty box. So those are all the items that I got in my February Allure beauty box. I got three full-size products and 2 samples. I bought a year's subscription to Allure beauty box right before they raised their price, so I think I'm still in that $16 a month range. I think they've gone up to $21. I will look for sure and put it down in the description what the actual cost is. Even if they have gone up to $21, $25 a month, these subscription boxes are well worth the money. $148. Is this product worth $148? Probably not. But still, if you wanted to try it, you got it for $16, $21, $25, which you can't beat. So this month, my Allure beauty box is valued at $217.25, and I spent $16. I mean, seriously, you can't beat that price. So there we go. That's my Allure beauty box for February 2021. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me unbox my Allure February beauty box. I'd like to welcome all of my new subscribers. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. What's my name? If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload one of my crazy videos. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher. Oh, Christopher. Christopher. Kristoff. Christopher. You need some daily hair cream with sandalwood. It's got sandalwood in it. Oh. Oh. It smells so good. You need to get you some of this. Maybe you can put it in that beard you won't shave off. I love you. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. I got lipstick on my teeth again.